everyone, Tay here in the interview studio at Black Dog Salvage. We had another amazing month of submissions for the Maker of the Month contest. If you don't know what the Maker of the Month contest is, you can find out here. So do that if none of this makes sense so far. Anyway, I'm here to announce the winner of the February competition. So without further ado, and drum roll please, the winner is Joe Ferguson, everybody. Good job, Joe. Let me tell you about what he built. Joe made a custom chandelier for the kitchen of his lake house out of some corbels, a porch baluster, and some copper pots. Here's a little bit about Joe's story. Joe found the corbels at a local to him salvage yard in Richmond called Paul's Place. He found 10 matching corbels lying around that intrigued him. He placed 2 back to back, took a picture, and sent it to his wife, who agreed they had potential. Good for him. He spent the next few weeks looking for just the right copper pots to hang from the fixture and found a porch baluster leaning against the wall of his garage. Sounds like our kind of guy. Joe and his wife decided it would be a statement light fixture in the kitchen of their lake house in Clarksville, and set to work assembling everything one weekend after gathering some rusty chain and lamp parts. After a couple trips to the hardware store and some quality time in the attic, the fixture was done and soon began gathering positive comments from family and friends, and now the internet. So thank you guys to everyone who submitted a project, to everyone who came out and voted for our finalists. Me and the guys down in the shop, as always, had a great time discussing the ins and outs of the builds, you know, the material choice and how much work went into it. And we love that kind of stuff, you know, because we talk to each other about projects a lot down in the shop, but it's nice to see other people's takes on things. So it's really, really enjoyable for us, and keep sending them in. Joe, as you probably have already guessed, you will be winning a pair of Keen utility boots, details of which we will email you about shortly. And so that's that. Now, the March Maker of the Month competition window is now open. Send your submissions to makerofthemonth@blackdogsalvage.com. And remember, we are looking for upcycled builds made out of as much salvage and reclaimed materials as possible. That's kind of our whole mantra, you know, that's the point of it. Anybody can go to Lowe's and buy 2x4s and new hardware and stuff like that, but you know, we want to see you guys do some reclaiming of your own. You know, go dumpster diving, go yard sailing, pick up some cool stuff that's got some character, that's got some life to it, and you know, turn it into something else, something cool. So anyway, good luck. Thank you guys for the participation so far, and I'm looking forward to see what you guys send in for March. Take care.